Hello everyone, I'm Chimli Gavin and part of Finshares. Yes, thank you for listening to my other videos explaining about the stocks, unit trusts, treasury bills, and we are finally here and we are finally beginning our lessons. This is lesson 1. I want first of all apologize to those people who feel like I'm reading these things. Yes, I want to give you concrete information and I want to expound on these things. I want to read these things so that I can put it in a simpler way to you guys, and I don't want to cheat you or to give you things that I'm not certain of. I understand these things, that's why I read to get the concrete and I break it into simpler terms for you. I'm sorry in case that disheartens you or it heartens you. Yeah, but that's how these videos are going to flow. These are lessons, because these lessons I get them from different books that I read. I get them from different research that I do, so I understand them. That's why I'm going to be reading them and expounding on them. Yes, so today is going to be our first lecture lesson, what you can call it. Yeah, but there are many lessons, so I hope you get anything. Or in case you have any queries, you can actually just comment here down or get in touch with me. Yeah, so that you can expound on any issue that you'll be having. Yeah, business first, things first. So today we are going to begin. So our topic today is why invest. Why should you invest? Yes. So why should you actually what? Invest. So therefore in this section we are going to learn about the benefits of you investing and how you should set yourself financially so that you can get a lot from your investment life. Yeah, so for the first question is why buy stocks? Why buy shares? Yes, owning stock means owning a piece of a company. So in this information, when I tell you about owning a piece of a company, so when you own a piece of a company, it means you become its owner. So we can take like most of us we live in homes, so these homes are made up of different bricks. So you can take a company as a home and the bricks you can call them shares. So when you buy this stock, means you own part of that company, or when you buy that brick you own part of that home. So majorly that's what it means when you own shares, which means if you remove your brick, then there will be a gap in in that company or that home, or somebody else will buy it and put it there. Make sure that's what it means. You owning piece of a company. Your invested funds will be working for you 24/7. Yeah, I don't know if you've heard the famous Warren Buffett saying, "To get rich, you have to make money while you're asleep." Some of the ways of making money while you are sleeping is owning these shares. So invested money can grow much faster than cash in savings account. So you understand that this savings account, most banks give you savings accounts of around 4%, 6%. But in the stock market here, these companies give you dividends, and on top of giving you dividends, in case you have to sell your share, that maybe you bought a share at 240 and are selling it at 300 shillings, you're making a profit of 60 shillings, which means you can earn dividend and you later sell your share. So the average interest can be higher than that of a bank that the bank is giving you. Yes, and also if you have ever wanted to own part of a company, you have ever wished to own part of some big bank or maybe Uganda Clays, this is an opportunity for you. Buy stock in that company, enjoy it and enjoy the dividends, enjoy the capital gains, enjoy the annual general meetings, enjoy the social capital, enjoy boosting that you have shares, enjoy your stock account, enjoy seeing your portfolio grow. That's what it means owning part of a bigger company. Yeah, so you may be asking, how do I profit from these companies, from this stock? So you profit from this stock in two ways. First of all, the company can decide to pay shareholders in terms of dividends. So when we talk about dividends, dividends means that when the company makes profits, they give you a certain percentage of their profits. Since you're a shareholder, since you are known in this company, when they make profits, of course, they have to give you something, and that's what you call dividends. And also you can benefit from these shares or this stock through capital gains. Capital gains, I talked about it. You buy the share at 200 shillings and it later it increases to 300 shillings. You are earning 100 shillings per share you bought. So that's what you call a capital gain. And on average, the stock market has run around 10% annually since 1974. So on the annual basis of the stock market in the entire world has produced or has given an interest of annual of over 10% than without factoring inflation. And anything that can beat inflation in this world are the stock markets. Yes, mainly that is it. That has been our first lesson. Yeah, I understand. I don't know if it has been short or, but I hope you've gotten something. Those are the reasons that you should own these stocks. Those are the reasons you should be a shareholder. Those are the reasons you should get that extra income. You can do your other things, but it is always so beautiful to have that common that you don't expect, or you can get and do you use it for other things. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching our first lesson. More lessons are coming. Stay with me. Let's enjoy the ride. Have a peaceful day.